Brady, are you almost dead?
Okay, I'm on, you guys.
I can't see it. I'm dead. I can't.
All right, good morning, everyone. I apologize for my tardiness. The recording from the last meeting took forever to process, so I had to wait for that to get done before I could start another meeting. We should have maybe a few more people bopping in, so we'll just wait patiently for them. During that time, what I would like you to do is, if you are not already into our class in Google Classroom, I'm going to put the code in the chat so you can use that code to join the class and make sure you're in there, because that's going to be an important piece of this. So let me grab that code and throw it into the chat. Okay, so make sure that you're logging in with your Gmail account that you have set up to use for this. And then there's the code. If you are not in there already, please join. That's going to be really important. And so we'll let people do that while we wait. We still have a few people bopping in here, so we'll patiently wait for them. Unpause the recording. So I will put recordings into Google Classroom, so if you ever have to miss class, you can watch it there, or you can go back if there's something like, oh, I know he said whatever, and you can go back and take a look and see what it was that I said. Also in there, you'll find the Zoom information. We've been doing a great job so far getting into the Zoom meeting here, and you'll find the links for Mathagon and Khan Academy. And so for this first week, as we work through all the technical stuff to get everybody into the class and so on, I'm not going to require any certain amount of stuff and those things, but what I would like you to do is, once I get you in there, so we have a few to make sure that we've got everybody in the Google Classroom, and then you can go in and just look around a little bit and see what you think looks interesting, and maybe make note of that so that you can explore some of those topics and learn more. And I really want you to focus in on stuff that you think's kind of interesting, because then we tend to be a lot more motivated when it's something that we care about and that we choose to do. So I would like you to really explore those things. You might also consider reviewing your last math class or previewing your next math class to help you kind of get to a even better spot in your high school career. So that's the plan there. I'll review that a little bit more at the end too. So our plan for today, we're going to do a couple things. We're going to do a Quizlet Live, and we're just going to stay in this big group. And I've done this several times with some different groups, and it gets to be kind of fun and funny when people are, and you can talk over the group. You can hold up piece of paper with stuff on or whatever. You can use the chat, whatever you find helpful to communicate with your group and work your way through those things. And then we're going to do a Kahoot. Last class, we had some issues, some technical difficulties with Kahoot. It was being kind of a bugger, and everybody got kicked out a couple times. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll just kind of take it from there. So any questions before we dig into that stuff? I can see shaking heads. That works. Awesome. Okay. Alrighty, well then let me share my screen. I will share the Quizlet Live and we'll dig in. Alrighty, can everybody see the Quizlet Live there? All right, so I believe we should have 12 people in there. We're getting there. Also, feel free to use your phone if you want to use your phone for this. Then you can have your phone on one hand and then the shared screen on the other hand, or on your laptop. That sometimes works better, or you just resize things to make it so that they can both fit in there well. Whatever works best for you. Almost there. Looks like we're waiting on one more.
Try it's not working.
Yeah.
I don't know about you all, but I think there's too many people at home streaming video or something because the internet in general seems to be kind of pokey today. Who knows? All right, sir, welcome. We're just about to do a Quizlet Live, so you can go ahead and
No,
hop
my
in.
kid come out like this. Come on, that.
Selna, are you going to Quizlet.live?
I did .com. It's not working.
Oh, .live.
Oh.
There we go. All right, so now we're just waiting on Sir. All right, welcome. You can hopefully see the shared Quizlet Live screen. We're just about to get started, so you can use that code and hop in. We're just waiting on 2 people to hop in there, and then we'll dig in. Having any luck there,
It's taking
Sir?
a while to load in.
What's that?
It's like not loading in.
Okay. It's being a real bugger today, just the internet in general. Sir, if you want to turn off your video, that's okay. That can help save some bandwidth to do your internet stuff. That might speed things up a tiny bit.
I got it on my phone with my phone data.
Okay. All right. Awesome. I think we're all set then. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Here's our teams. Okay, and so you can communicate in any way. You can use the audio, you can use the video, you can use the chat, however you want to communicate with your group. And this vocabulary is, I would expect the majority of it would be review for you based on your grades. But it's kind of general math stuff that comes up very frequently throughout all math classes. So hopefully some good review. Remember, the cool thing about Quizlet Live is if you're not sure and you get it wrong, that's okay. It'll tell you the right answer. Get it right the next time. Okay? Are you ready? Here we go.
Is there any? Betty? Sai? Filna?
Yeah, I don't know it.
Is it
Oh, you know what?
cosine? This one's cosine. Is it rearrange?
Oh,
Or
shoot, okay.
pi?
Okay.
Who has cosine? Yeah.
No.
Real numbers.
Someone take me from the team. I don't know this.
Well, it's
Cosine. I don't have it.
Pythagorean theorem,
Cosine.
guys.
I don't have it either.
it's probably tangents.
That's
Second-
axis.
Axis.
Oh,
I don't have it, so I don't know.
Sokoto, what was it?
it's probably
Julia, what do you have?
I have like real numbers, slope, intercept form, and x-axis.
No.
I don't know that one.
Pi.
Um,
You got pi. Hey, let's go.
Saba, what do you have?
Oh, there we go.
All right.
Oh
Nice job. Let's mix it up and try it again. Not too shabby there. All right. Here we go.
Numbers are variables. Is it? Oh. Okay. Mathematical science. Sentence that compares two amounts of meaning. I don't know this one.
Equation?
That's
Do we get-
foil.
Foil?
Yeah.
No.
Not?
Does anybody know this one?
Inequality.
Right, okay.
That area of a circle.
Mustangs, I don't have it. Round. Across diameter, right?
Oh,
Y'all gonna answer me?
Method for
Have it.
Don't have it.
that's foil.
Is the area of a circle though?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have it.
Alright.
This one's foil for dolphins. Who has foil? Sai.
Where's foil? No, I don't have foil.
It's the area of the circle. Okay. Inequality.
Yeah, I think this is like
The
equality.
That's a
Origin, right?
vertex, right?
Oh,
Origin, yeah,
It's a-
origin. my bad.
origin. Yeah. Sine of angle.
that's the quart.
Four regions. They're the quadrants, right?
Area of a circle.
The diameter?
Or more straight lines meet.
Absolute
That's a
value
vertex.
Mustangs.
Would it be diameter?
It's
Answer the multiplication.
Pa,
Product.
Selna.
Product.
It's full?
Product.
Absolute value.
Anybody got product?
No, I don't have it.
So what do you have?
I have absolute value and origin.
This is a number.
Lulia, what do you have?
Oh, what is it?
Product and vertex.
Product.
Okay.
Who has it? Sai or Hope? Who has it?
Okay, cool.
Mathematical.
That's inequality.
Yeah. Sai, you have it.
just absolute value.
Go.
My God.
Nice.
Woo!
Good work, Dolphins.
Yeah.
This is an ugly picture.
All right. Let's shuffle it up. We'll try one more here. We're pretty good with this stuff. Here we go.
And go with the vertex located.
Is this distributive property?
Yeah.
Oh, that's, oh, shoot. What is that?
Yes, it's just like an expression.
Oh, what is this?
Versus,
This is log. Wait.
I
Logarithm.
don't either. Oh,
Yes.
what?
Angle.
Like terms?
Distribution. Here we go.
What is it?
James, like
I have no idea.
Is it angle?
Parameter.
Oh, woo!
Who should I go?
You have distributive, yeah. Okay. Intersecting it.
Distribution.
Perimeter.
Perpendicular. Right, perpendicular. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
ratio of the opposite. I do not.
Oh, a TOA. Is it TOA? Tangent. Tangent. And
Oh, right. 8.
oh.
Simplifying an expression by combining terms. Is it like terms? No. Yeah.
Constant rate.
what this is.
Dang.
Hey.
Sea turtles. Nice.
Sounds all good. It was good.
All right. Nice work. One of my favorite things about doing it this way is I see some people really step up and be leaders in their groups and are like, hey, what do you have? What do you have? And really doing that. So that's really cool and fun to see. So let me go to the Kahoot now. And we'll see. I'm going to do it this way, which will make it's more like quizzes then. You can go at your own pace and work your way through, and then we'll see the results once everybody's finished. So we're going to try it this way, see if that works better than how we did it earlier. I'm going to put that you should complete it by 1 o'clock today.
1 a.m.
No. All right, and we're gonna randomize, and there we go. See, my internet's
half an hour.
funky too.
You better clean it good. With some
Who's cleaning?
Come on, it's not looking good.
Use your data.
Probably Wi-Fi problem.
Let me refresh here. Come on, Kahoot. All right, we're gonna give this one more try. Curse you, Kahoot.
Tabs open.
Curse you. All right, new plan. So obviously we're having some technical difficulties here. Let's do this. So I will post a link to doing the Kahoot when I can get it to open and set up. And then we can look at our results on Monday during our meeting. And then talk about the things that we maybe have questions on. But look for that link in the Google Classroom, and then you can do that at your own time, and I'll set it so that you can get it done. I'll put the deadline to be Monday at noon, so before the beginning of our class on Monday, if you do that Kahoot, then we can look at our results and kind of take it from there. So any thoughts, questions on any of that? Hopefully we don't have to deal with cursed poor internet stuff as we make our way through. Hopefully some of this stuff will work a little bit better. So So 2 things that I'd like you to do before I see you on Monday. One of them is to think about and explore Mathagon and Khan Academy a little bit to see what you're interested in learning more about. And also what you have questions about, like when is this type of math used in the world? Why do we have to learn this? Some of those sorts of questions I would be happy to dig into as well, and because it makes things a lot more useful, and we tend to put in more effort when we know that, hey, there is a use for this. This isn't just mental gymnastics that you're being asked to do. So if you have some of those big questions, I'll be looking for those on Monday as some things we might explore as well. So take a look in the Google Classroom. Also look for the link for the Kahoot. Give that a try before Monday, and then we'll look at the results there, and hopefully life will be good. Does anybody have any questions on anything? Stop sharing my screen. No questions. Life is good. All right, awesome. So thank you for being patient as we work our way through the challenges of doing this not in a classroom at SMSU, but I hope that as we make our way through, we'll get better, and we'll work through these challenges and get a lot out of this still. So, all right. If you don't have any questions, we will call it a day, and have an awesome one. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Sounds like it's not supposed to be quite so toasty today, which would be okay. Pretty warm the last couple days. All right. Have a great day. Look in Google Classroom, and we'll see you on Monday. Have a good one.